Let's get to that trader rundown now and get the ball rolling with Dan Deming at KKM Financial. Dan, what do you see happening here in the market?
Well, Angie, I tell you, as we move into this week after the sell-off last week and some pickup in volatility, I'm looking at a couple of things. Number one, the lows that we are experiencing. Now, we're testing the summer lows here with both the NASDAQ and the S&P. So I think that that's one key factor as we move into this week. Are we going to be able to hold those lows? Or are we going to see a breach of those lows? If we're able to hold them, then I would expect that we're going to see at least some upside price action as we move through the week, as again, the selling pressure abates a little bit and the market digests the news from last week, which was really higher for longer and had not really been priced into this point as much as what market participants had felt. So I think that's what contributed to selling pressure as far as interest rates are concerned, higher for longer. And that's something that has to work its way into the pricing structure of the market.
That explains it, Dan, because the market is just not on solid footing right now. What economic news are you watching for this week?
Yeah, other factors this week, I think, Angie, to look for are the data points. Number one, we have consumer confidence early in the week, but really the big data points will be the PCE price data points on Friday. That's the preferred measure of inflation by the Fed, and we're going to get a lot of Fed speak this week now that we're post-meeting. So combination of Fed speak and that inflation data point at the end of the week is going to be, I think, the primary drivers for the market this week.
Thank you, Dan. Have a great week.
All right. Thanks, Angie. Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.